What's up everybody, new here bringing best tips and tools for making your everyday life easier with technology. So here on this channel we do a lot of tech gear reviews and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. So in today's video we will be talking about how we can save our photos and videos forever. The problem is sometimes we often lose our phones or our SD card is corrupted, and in those cases we eventually end up losing all of our data, right? But the most important things are our photos and videos. So how to actually save them and get rid of the problem? There are actually many ways of doing that, but we'll be going with the most easiest and the most simplest and most safest technique of all of these, which is using the cloud storage platforms. So let's first discuss the most conventional and the most old techniques of doing that, which is buying an external hard drive and copying and pasting all of your data from your phones and your SD cards to the external hard drive and keeping it with you, right? But the problem is it's of no guarantee that the external SD will remain always with you, right? It can also get lost, or the data may get corrupted some days, right, due to some viruses or other stuffs. So which is the most safest technique? Then the safest technique is using cloud storage platforms, and I'll be referring you to a platform called Google Photos, on which you can save your photos and videos forever. So it's quite simple, but it has many other alternatives such as iPhotos for the Apple devices and the Microsoft OneDrive for the Microsoft devices. But Google Photos is multi-platform, which means it can work both on Apple devices and the Microsoft devices as well as the Android. So I suggest Google Photos. So let's first discuss the problem with the Microsoft and the Apple drives, right? So they are single platforms, means they work on the iPhotos work on the Apple devices and the Microsoft OneDrive works on the Microsoft devices, not the Android, right? So that's quite a problem. But the Google Photos work on every single device, right? So for downloading Google Photos, just go to the link in the description, which is photos.google.com/apps, and download the app for your device. As you are downloading the app, just open the app and you will be prompted to sign in. Just sign into the app and you are good to go. All of your photos and videos will be shown in the window, and to back up the photos, just select the album tabs, and from here select the folder you want to back up in the second row. So after selecting the folder you want to back up, just turn on the backup and synchronization option on the top of every single folder. After that, your photos and videos will be uploaded to the cloud as soon as you are connected to the internet through a Wi-Fi, right? Or if you want to change it to cellular data, just go to the setting and tweak some settings to just use the cellular data to update your photos. So let's discuss the cool features of this the Google Photos platform. The first is you can access your photos from anywhere around the world. You just need an internet connection, right? And you don't need your phone, not your external hard drive, nothing. Just go to photos.google.com and just sign into the website, right? And it will show you all of your photos, and from there you can share whatever photo or print whatever photo you want. So that's so cool feature. And the other is facial recognition, means Google Photos can recognize faces, means it can recognize my face and can show me all the photos in my device in which I am included. So that's a very cool feature, and it has very vast uses, which means for example, if you want to share your friend's photos with him, just select his face and Google Photos will show you all the photos in which his face is included, and you can just share the photos with him by just a single click. You don't have to select the photos and then go to different folders for looking his photo, right? So that makes work easier. The second is access from anywhere, which is done, and the third one is unlimited storage, means Google Photos will give you unlimited storage, means storage for your lifetime, right? So you don't have to buy another SD card to save your photos or other external hard drive. If the first one's capacity is gone, you can back up all of your photos and videos in the cloud by using Google Photos forever. So I think that's a very cool feature. Means Google is providing unlimited storage to its user, right? And there are certain conditions, which is Google will tweak the photos and reduce its size but not its quality and upload it to the cloud. But if you want to upload the same photo you took from your device, Google will only provide you with a storage of 15 gigabytes, which is not a huge amount of storage for nowadays, because about 200 pictures take 1 gigabyte of storage in the modern phones, right? So that's not so cool. I suggest you going with the Google storage because the quality is sustained and the storage is unlimited for you, right? And the video size must be 1080p or less. You can't upload 4K videos to the Google Cloud server for free. It will cost them very huge amount of money. But if you want to upload the 4Ks, you just have to buy extra storage from them. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, smash the like button, get subscribed, and also click the bell icon so you